Good morning, students. We learn about Windows 7. This is an important lesson in your course book. This program comprises Windows 7. After going through this lesson, we will be able to have a knowledge about Windows 7 different from Vista or XP, knowledge about improvements for both Vista and XP users, knowledge about changes and improvement from Windows XP only, knowledge about Windows 7 and improve computer performance, knowledge about arrow features, knowledge about personalized font setting, knowledge about Windows Explorer. Windows 7 is an operating system that was produced by Microsoft and released as a part of Windows NT family of operating system. It was released to manufacturing on July 22, 2009 and became generally available on October 22 that year. It is a successor to Windows Vista. Once again, Windows 7 is an operating system that was produced by Microsoft and released as a part of the Windows NT family of an operating system. It was released to manufacturing on July 22, 2009 and became generally available on October 22 that year. It is a successor to Windows Vista. How is Windows 7 different from Vista or XP? Based on customer feedback, Microsoft is prompting that it has simplified the PC experience by making many functions easier to use, such as better previewing on the taskbar, instant searching for files or media, and easy sharing via home group networking. It also claims improved performance by supporting 64-bit processing, which is increasingly standard in desktop PCs. Once again, based on customer feedback, Microsoft is prompting that it has simplified the PC experience by making many functions easier to use, such as better previewing on the taskbar, instant searching for files or media, and easy sharing via home group networking. Improvements for both Vista and XP users. New taskbar and system tray, quick desktop view button, improved startup, sleep and resume performance, improved power management, save memory and battery life, libraries to improve file access and organization, Action Center for system maintenance, backup and troubleshooting, user account customization of notification, improved backup, new wallpapers and themes, improved gadgets. Changes and improvements from Windows XP only. New start icon, arrow snap, arrow shake and peek. Desktop icons like computer, mic, documents now accessed through start menu. Larger icons and hidden icons in the taskbar. Quick launch toolbar replaced by pinning a program to the taskbar. Jump list for easier access. Search bar in the startup menu. Run command access through starts menu search bar. Faster and smoother gaming components. Parental controls for monitoring computer use. Update feature that eliminates web surfing per patches. Will Windows 7 improve my computer performance? As previously mentioned, Microsoft is prompting that Windows 7 is designed to decrease startup and shutdown times by 20 seconds, go to sleep and resume faster, use up less memory, pop up search result faster, reconnect to a wireless network more quickly, recognize USB device faster. What can you do in Windows 7? Arrow, Arrow is an interface that makes your visual interaction with the desktop fun and easy. Arrow is an interface that makes your visual interaction with desktop fun and easy. Arrow Peek makes your open windows transparent so you can see your desktop. It also allows you to peek at items in your taskbar for a thumbnail preview. Arrow Snap. Arrow Snap is a quick way to resize your windows to make them easier to read, organize, and compare. Arrow Flip allows you to preview all open windows from a central window or 3D view that you can flip through. Arrow Shake allows you to take your mouse and shake only the open window you want to focus on, and the rest will disappear. Search. As soon as you start typing in the search bar of the start menu, you will instantly see a list of relevant options grouped by categories with highlighted keywords and text. This allows you to easily scan for the documents, music, pictures, and emails you are looking for. Gadgets. You can select or download gadgets such as slideshow, calendar, or weather update to add to your desktop. The live updates of some gadgets like weather, stocks, and feed headlines are quite convenient. Additional things you can do in Windows 7. Device stage. When you plug a device into a computer, such as camera, mobile phone, or flash drive, a window will open with a menu of popular tasks, start, status information, and option for your device. Windows Live Essential. Windows Live Essential is free software that enhances the Windows 7 experience. It replaces Windows Mail and allows you to email, instant message, edit photos, and blog. Home Group. Home Group allows you to connect 2 or more PCs on home network to easily share and access files and printers. Windows Touch. You can use Windows Touch with a touch screen PC to browse and flick through the screen using your fingers with multi-touch technology. Remote media streaming. With remote media streaming, you can access your music, pictures, and video stores on your home PC remotely using the internet. Arrow features. Windows 7 uses a group of features called Windows Arrow. Arrow is a visual desktop experience that combines translucent windows, appealing color, and graphics effect with convenient functionality. Arrow includes snap, peek, shake, and flip. Snap. Snap allows to resize open windows to make reviewing and comparing easier. The image below shows two windows before and after using Snap feature. Step 1. Place the mouse at the top of the window. Drag to the left or right of the screen. Wait for the transparent window to appear and let go. Step 2. Your window should snap into a place. Step 3. To return to the full view, snap the window to the top of the screen. Peek. You can view your open window on the taskbar by using Peek. Simply scroll the mouse over the taskbar icon and a thumbnail preview of the open window will appear. Step 1. Hover the mouse over the windows in Peek and the full window will appear on your screen. Step 2. Click the Peek preview to open the window or click the close the windows from the Peek view. Shake. When your desktop is cluttered with open windows, you can use Shake to select a single window and close to the rest. Step 1. Click on the top of the window you want to focus on and shake your mouse and the rest of the windows will disappear. Step 2. Simply shake the window again and close the window till reappear. Flip. Flip and Flip 3D are the two ways you can see the preview of all your open windows at once. Flip will display the preview in row and Flip 3D will display them as a stack. Step 1. Press and hold Alt key, then press Tab to open the flip view of your window. Step 2. While still pressing the Alt key, you can flip through open windows by pressing the Tab key. Step 3. Stop on the window you want to open and it will appear on the full screen. Step 4. Press and hold the Windows key, then press Tab for a 3D version of Flip. Step 5. Use the Tab key or arrow key to flip through your open windows. Personalized font setting. You can adjust the font setting and clear type on your desktop based on your preference. To change the font, the following steps to be followed. Step 1. From the search bar in the Start menu, type and select fonts. Step 2. Select the font you desire from the font fan. To change the font size, the following steps to be followed. Step 1. Adjust the font size by selecting the Change Font Size from the menu on the left of the font pan. Step 2. Select the desired font size and click Apply. Gadgets. Gadgets are programs that run on your desktop so you can see information at a glance. Gadgets can give you information about the weather, date and time, news, traffic and more. Gadgets are programs that run on your desktop so you can see information at a glance. Gadgets can give you information about weather, date and time, news, traffic and more. To add gadgets to your desktop, the following steps to be followed. Right click your desktop and select gadgets. Step 2. Select and drag the gadgets you desire and place them anywhere you want on the desktop. Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is a program that is efficient for viewing files and folders in MS Windows. It is suitable for viewing files and folders in hierarchical order. Windows Explorer is very helpful for efficiently organizing files and folders that are stored in different disk drives of a computer. To open a Windows Explorer, the following steps to be followed. Step 1. Click Start button. Step 2. Click All Programs. Step 3. Click Accessory option. Step 4. Click Windows Explorer option. Or click on the Windows Explorer icon on the taskbar. The following Windows Explorer screen appear as shown below. Menu control bar. Left pan. Left pan is otherwise known as navigation pan. Right pan, detail pan. Once again, the Windows Explorer screen appears as consists of 4 parts. Menu control bar, left pan. Left pan is otherwise known as navigation pan, right pan and detail pan. Windows Explorer screen is divided vertically into 2 parts or pans, the left pan and the right pan. Once again, the Windows Explorer screen is divided into 2 parts. They are left pan and right pan. Left pan display disk drives and folders in hierarchical order. The right pan displays the content of folders or drive that is selected on the left pan. You can see the sign in front of a disk drive or a folder name indicates the folder contains subfolder. If we click this icon, it shows the subfolder inside, and at the same time the sign changes them. This process is called expanding a folder. The menu control bar has many options to work with files and folder. The detail pan displays the details like size and type of the selected item. Thank you.